Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going over our Beautylish extra large lucky bag. So let's get started. So this time they started out with, it says you're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2025, hashtag Beautylish. And it has this little cute looking ducky on there. So let's open her up and see what I got, because I have not looked in here yet. I was waiting to open it up with you guys. So I am super excited to see what we got this time. I've gotten the bags a couple of years in a row now. So the first thing that I'm picking up out of here is one of the quiche flat lay claw clips 3-piece set. I do have a few items from this brand and do like them. That's how they look on the back. So excited to have that. They put in here the Verb Balance and Relief 3% salicylic acid dandruff shampoo, clinical strength. I've seen this brand, but I have not heard and purchased anything from it. This is a 8 fluid ounce. Also, they have in here, it looks like it is a palette from Viseart. Let's open her up and see what's in here. It's one of the slide outs. It says it's the 25th anniversary. So this is the neutral mattes, and I actually have this palette, but they call it the 25th edition. I wonder if this is the same exact palette or if this is a redone option of it for their 25th anniversary. I'll have to check back with you guys on that one, but that is what is in here as well. And then there is Le Fado Gloss. Intense Glow Lip Gloss in number 10 from Sicily, Paris. It's in, like I said, the shade number 10, and that is Star, it says. Open this up, see what that looks like. It's a cute little red color. I love the packaging. See what that looks like. It's a nice color, something I would definitely wear. I have not tried any items from Sicily, Paris as well, so that'll be nice to try one of their lip products. I have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Pencil in Lilac Quartz, it says. I don't know if I have this shade in her chrome pencils or not. I have to check. I did recently get some items from Beautylish back in the fall time. But I don't know if I got this shade or not. Okay, that's what the pencil looks like. It has a beautiful, looks like a vibrant purple, like leaning blue type tint to it. And if you can see that, it's beautiful. So excited to have that one. What else is in here? Good Molecules, Pimple Patches, ultra thin hydrocolloid patches to remove impurities and immediately conceal blemishes. It's 60 patches, it says in this box. I have gotten items from Good Molecules before. They are a nice brand from what I can tell. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. And then we have the MOB, I guess that's Mauve blush in M27. Did any of you guys pick up any of the Lucky Bags? I'm curious as to what other people received as well. So let's see what this looks like. I haven't heard of this brand. I think I've seen it before. So this is just a single blush in here. You know what? This looks similar. You guys, I wonder if this is similar to the color that I've been trying to look for. I have to check that out. The next item in here is Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Care Firm Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting, and sweeping away impurities. When massaged into the skin, multi-action enzyme and cellulose help uncover and smoother, fresh, and newer looking complexion. So that's what this is. Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel. All right, what else is in here? Shikahodo Makeup Brush Collection, it says. Now the Shikahodo brushes, I've heard of this brand, but I don't think I have anything from them. But it says it's a whole brush collection. That's exciting. I know they're well known for their brushes. And it looks like you get 4 different brushes. And then it has a case with it. So let's open this up real quick. Okay. So you have like an angled liner brush. So it's angled. And then you have a brush that looks like more of a tapered for blending. And then this looks more like a flat pointer brush. And this one looks like it's a regular like blush or bronzer brush or powder brush. So let's see what this paper says on here. Shikahodo. Here at Kumano Town in Hiroshima, which is renowned as the hometown of brushes for a long time, these brushes are made by Shikahodo with utmost care, each by each. That's what it says, each by each. The brush making techniques of Shikahodo come from the delicate age-old brush making techniques of Misufude. Probably murdering that, but that's the best I can say it. Which can draw the finest and most delicate lines on smooth doll faces. The high quality brushes of Shikahodo is now recognized in the world and highly rated by the international cosmetics brands and first class makeup artists. We would like you to enjoy comfortable makeup brushes of Shikahodo. It says Teshui Takamari Brushes Craftsman. And then this is just a little guide. So, like I mentioned, cheek brush. They have powder brush, highlight brush, eyebrow brush, eyeshadow brush, lip brush. So they got different brushes and foundation brush. They don't tell you what they have in the actual box itself, but this is how they recommend that you apply different makeups with those different types of brushes that they make. So they provided 4 of those in this particular set. So that is nice. Yep, that is nice. See if there's anything else in here. And that looks like that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know down below, what did you guys get in your lucky bags? Stay tuned and see you soon. Bye.